So, you've been selected to lead a team. Congratulations. Or is your reaction more like, oh no, I've been selected to lead a team, what am I supposed to do? Well, in this course, you're going to learn how to build an effective and efficient team from the ground up. By starting with a strong foundation, you'll be able to weather the inevitable challenges that so many teams face. Hi, I'm Luke Angel. I've worked with teams and their leaders to help them reach their potential. We'll start off in this course with you as a leader and what you need to do to prepare to lead your team. Next, we'll examine the 4 stages of development that almost every team goes through. Along the way, you'll look at different types of teams. I'll offer advice on how to lead each one of them. We'll also focus on making your team more productive and engaged through effective meetings, realistic goals, and shared responsibilities. So let's start the process of building your team.